Hello everybody, how you doing? Today I'm welcoming all the new subscribers on my channel, our channel, because it's about the community, it's about everybody, every little kids around the world. My name is Solange Zomobem, and I'm your crafter next door. A crafter is an artist, someone who can make stuff. You can follow my channel and you will see the previous videos I made. Today I wanted to let you know that I do a lottery every month. Once a month I do lottery for students and single mothers, just to help my people. To participate in the lottery, you must be living in Cameroon. You can be a Nigerian, a Ghanaian, a Gabonese, a Senegalese, but you must live in Cameroon. You must be a student or a single mother. I even play for single fathers too. But my main purpose is for students and single mother, to help you the whole year, the whole month. That's my fair share of helping Cameroonian, because I know the suffering in that country. Before I came here, I live in Cameroon. I was a single mother. I had a little boy. It was very difficult for me. So I know the struggle in Cameroon. I know everything that's going on in Cameroon. I said to myself, let me help. I have been doing charity work for 18 years, but I've never been in this level. It's a way of having fun, a way of sharing stuff. I want to be involved in a youth life in Cameroon. So the video for today is to show you how I prepared for tombola lottery. Okay, you can watch me doing it. This is just the paper. I fold the paper in half, and I will cut the paper in 5 parts. You see? I will cut here. So I will have 10 pieces of paper. Okay. This is the one I cut, and I cut in half. And I will just write any name. A name of a student, a name of whatever. Okay, let me write Tata Solange. Tata Solange. If Tata Solange will be participating in the lottery. Okay, this is the name Tata Solange. I fold the name in half. Then I take a piece of rock. Yeah, a piece of rock from here. This is just a piece of rock. And I take any how you call it in English? I forgot. I'll fold it like this. It's just to secure the name. I don't want everything to get mixed up, And I will just roll it. This thing is even small. I mean short. There is a way of doing it. Nothing is easy, Okay, you see? it will take me sometimes to do that. Okay, this is how for the name. I already prepared. The tombola is tomorrow. I already prepared 20 names. I'll be rolling all this, make it like this, and play the tombola. I wanted to tell the new subscribers, the one who come from Bamenda, Boyatiko, Limbe, everywhere, you are going to be playing next month. Do you understand? Only next month, in February. You must, if you want to participate, just leave a comment when you watch video. Any comment. You can say, hi, Tanti Solange. Hello. Whatever you want to say. Tanti Solange or something. Tanti Solange, can you do this? Give me advice. You know, we work together. I don't know everything. You learn every day. If you have a better advice for me, just let me know. Because I don't know everything. I don't even know nothing, you know. I'm just trying, you know. So when you leave a message, a comment, then I'll write your name down. And your name, you are going to participate in the next tombola. In the next tombola. It's going to be all year long, you know. But if you don't make comment, I don't know that you exist. I don't know who's watching, who's not watching, you know. So you must make a comment, something, just say something. No curse or something, you know. Just a good advice or something. Anyway, I will be playing tombola tomorrow for the people on my Facebook. And from February, I'll be making for you guys, you students from the Nozo area. Thank you for watching. Remember, when you subscribe, ring the bell. When you ring the bell, you must ring the other bell on top, who tells you all the video I upload. If you don't ring the bell, you won't know that I upload the video, you know. And you need to share. If you share, we get more subscribers, more viewers, and we're going to get paid. Because when I get paid, then I give you more money. Right now, I have been out of work for 3 months, you know. I've been doing the tombola from my pocket. I need funds. And the funds is going to come from YouTube if you watch my videos. Yeah, if you watch videos and I get paid more and I can make 2 or 3 people win in 1 month. You see what I'm saying? We need viewers. We need more subscribers. Tell your friend, tell everybody to come and participate. You never know who's going to win. You never know. Thank you for watching, my kids. Bye-bye.